Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now XRP is doing okay. I know a lot of people are getting fearful again, aren't they? Fearful, but you are holding structural support at the moment. You are on a beautiful level on the RSI. The stock RSI is in the floor as well, which is always a good sign where you want to be. For if you expected some kind of upswing, you want to be here. If the RSI and you expected some kind of upswing, you want to be here. You don't want to be up here. Okay, so the momentum is looking good for a lovely little upside, basically. Does it mean it'll come? Of course it doesn't, but we are in beautiful positions here. And one thing we're doing right here for XRP is holding this ascending level of support. Do you see this? And running into this descending level of resistance. So it's been such a long journey, hasn't it? Coiling up inside this huge horizontal on the weekly time frame, holding support and running into resistance. Like I said to you, close below this level of support on the weekly, you're going to come down. Okay, you can see even here, this wick, you never closed below it. You closed higher. Look at it, beautiful. Okay, so you're looking good. Sorry, this was an open. When the green candle, that's the open, that's the close at the top. Open, close at the top. So you can see right now we opened here, but right now if we close higher than where it opened, we're still opening on an ascending level of support. Do you understand that? So we're super bullish, coiling up for some kind of break, in my opinion. Again, nothing I say is financial advice. Everything is for education and purposes only. But this could offer a fantastic entry point right now for XRP because you're on this cusp, look, on the cusp here of a beautiful level of support, which could offer a fantastic entry point. Now, if XRP does start to roll, okay, and comes down and loses support, you can see you're losing this support, and that could be a precursor to the fact that you're creating this whopping big rollover, and you're actually going to lose this support, and you're going to come down to 30 cents, which I've shown you. Because if you start to lose this on the weekly, you start to close below that on the weekly at 58 cents, then you're coming down to 30 cents. I've shown you that in a previous video, okay? Because this would be a whopping descending triangle with a technical breakdown target of around about 30 cents, which would be an amazing entry point. But for me to say that's a certainty right now, like a lot of people are saying, because you've had a little squeeze down here and you're holding support, would be hopium. Okay, so you're not losing any support at the moment to give me that target. Do you understand that? If anything, you're holding support to give me the break target to retest that trend line just there, which is the key resistance. Like I said to you, you close above that, you're looking at a beautiful impulsive break, and I do think you're looking at that minimal target for XRP, which is a retracement to the all-time high, breaks the all-time high, and at that point that's your minimal target in this bull run for XRP, okay, providing you can hold support, which is what you're doing. So yeah, you've coiled up basically, and we'll try to look at the intraday patterns, on the hourly, then the 4 hourly, but right now with a stop loss, obviously always set stop losses, we could be in for a lovely little opportunity here for XRP moving into January. If we hold this support, start to come back up against EMAs, retest that trend line, that in itself could offer a fantastic long opportunity at this point. So it's all about holding support, okay? 31% long opportunity right now, but obviously always set stop losses. A lot of people say what's percentage stop losses. It's entirely up to you. That's risk management, okay? So usually 5%, but it's entirely up to you what you want to do. So looking at XRP on the 4 hourly time frame, then you can see just here you have essentially lost support, haven't you? Anyone can see that, but you've created a level of resistance just there that I would imagine that once you break out of this resistance, you're looking at a lovely little retracement up to here where you form these points of contact for XRP. Okay, start to do something like this, come up, break this resistance, start to break out, run into resistance there, come back, run into resistance there, come back, and eventually get into that white line just there. Okay, and you can see in all of this, you're still looking bullish, and it's really difficult to see, isn't it? But you've got your low, and what's happened is you've come up, you've made your high, okay? Then you've come down and made another low, then you've come up and made another high, a higher high, and then you've come down and you've held this low just there, which is still a higher low. So look, you've got beautiful uptrend that you're forming. Okay, do you see that? So providing you can hold this low right now, this technical low, which you are by holding this low, you're bullish. Do you understand that? So Bitcoin, XRP, sorry, is looking for continuation. Now there was a falling wedge here, which is essentially this big cup and handle pattern coming back, creating this handle, and you can see that, like I said to you, lose support, you're going to come down, carry out a technical target. I think that technical target was met obviously from there to there, and you can see, boom, technical target met like a boss. Okay, so right now we're looking for a reversal pattern here for XRP, and like I said to you, this could offer an amazing long opportunity at this moment right now with a stop loss, because just here we've got a beautiful ascending triangle that's starting to form just here for XRP. Do you see this? Level resistance and support, ascending, you're coming into the apex, so some kind of break is coming here for XRP. Now this would be your technical target of an ascending triangle, and you can see wherever you break this resistance, and it's coming relatively soon, you're going to be looking at a retest of this 55. Okay, so that could offer a lovely little long opportunity from there to there, around about 3.5%. But you know what, like I said to you, set a stop loss, because you potentially could get full retracement, break out of that white trend line and start to come back up the stairs here and offer a 19% long minimal up to that level of resistance. And with that, you are breaking out, aren't you? Because you're breaking out this lovely little breakout point that's there, retracing to each point of contact like I've just shown you, and with that you're going to start to come back up. Okay, and you can see that this here is a descending channel, which is your handle basically of this large cup and handle pattern like that coming back. Oh shit, going to zero, break out and retrace, break that resistance, you're in a technical target to the upside. So yeah, I mean, it's really important over the next week or so that we do close above that key level support, and we are putting in this beautiful reversal pattern to come back up to this level here, which would see us close above that level of support, wouldn't it? You know, you start to come back up, you are closing above this ascending level support, and you're equally closing above the 55 EMA on the weekly time frame. Now if you can start to close above that again, start to come back up above these EMAs, you're going to retackle that level of resistance there, breakout, confirmation break, see you later. Okay, so it's all about support and resistance. Hope you enjoyed that quick little update for you on XRP, but all of these events right here, long, short, are all tradable on Bybit. The link is in each and every single video description. Okay, they've got a beautiful bonus offer if you go join them. Take care everyone, back soon with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.